Is anyone sitting here? No, please feel free. Thank you so much. I'm Leon. Hello there. How are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. The view outside is beautiful.
Look, I found 5 hidden spots. No way, I have those circled too. We really have the exact same taste. Wow, this looks like the place. Let's go in.
Wow, this looks absolutely amazing! I can't believe we finally found this place. Best food stop ever. Wow, look at that shop. It looks so welcoming. Those look delicious.
Wow, they look absolutely delicious.
I can't wait to try them. Try some with the black vinegar. Wow, this is amazing! These are easily the best dumplings ever. I still remember helping my mom make this. Yes, that was my absolute favorite homemade recipe. This jasmine tea is so refreshing. I agree, it's perfect for today. Let's stop on the bridge for a moment.
Let's go in. Let's go in. Another one!
This cake is absolutely delicious. I completely agree with you. These sesame cakes are absolutely perfect with this oolong tea. I agree, it is so nice to just slow down and relax. I made some of your favorites. It looks too good to eat. Wow, this looks so delicious. Here, try some of mine too. What a perfect trip.
Yes, definitely. I would absolutely love that.